Hey there, fellow traders. So when you're diving into the world of trading, one of the key things you gotta get right is understanding the trend. Now in this example, we've got this roller coaster of a price chart. It's going up, down, and all around. It can be a real head scratcher, can't it? But fear not, there's this nifty tool in our trading arsenal called Heiken Ashi candlesticks. I don't want to tell you have to trade with Heiken Ashi candlesticks because I really don't like it and it's not almost possible because, as you know probably, the open and close of the real candles are differing from the Heiken Ashi candlesticks, and we don't want to do that because we lose our capital account. What's cool about them is that they smooth out those crazy market fluctuations. I mean, imagine having a magic wand that makes all the market noise disappear. Well, that's kind of what these candlesticks do. Once you slap them onto your chart, suddenly everything starts making sense. You can easily spot if the market's in a bullish or bearish mood. But there's always a but in trading, right? Heiken Ashi candlesticks do have their quirks. They don't show you the real closing prices, as I've told you before, and when the market gets all slow and choppy, they might not be as accurate as you'd like them to be. Now, enter the hero of our story, the smooth Heiken Ashi indicator. Think of it souped up the version of your regular candlesticks. And guess what? You can customize it. You can tweak the time frames and adjust smoothing legs. It's like having a trading tool that's tailor-made just for you. But okay, reading this indicator might seem like trying to decipher ancient hieroglyphics, right? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. If the candlesticks turn pink, the prices are on a downtrend spiral. If they're white, well, you guessed it, prices are shooting for stars. And here's a pro tip. Watch how the price dances around these candlesticks. You'll start seeing these patterns, these moments where the price goes, hey, I'm not going below this level, or I won't go above that level. That's your cue to make some moves. Now when it comes to making trades, patience is your best friend. Wait for the crystal clear trend, keep an eye on those color changes in the candlesticks, and when the time is just right, bam! That's your moment to shine. Due to the fact that this is a trend following strategy, if you really want to push your profit factors and making the most out of the market, in this video over here, I just talked about how to trade even against the trend. So trend following, against the trend, you're going to get the most out of the market almost every single bit of movement, especially if you're a scalper. But it doesn't matter, you can use these strategies on higher time frames as well, because as you know so far, if the strategy works on lower time frames with really high noise, it will perform a lot more better on higher time frames as well. Now I just want to show you just a part of 100 times backtesting / forward testing the strategy and shortly after share the results with you. But if you keep scratching your head, what about the money management, risk management tools? I'll talk about this right about now. But before that, it really matters that which cryptocurrency exchange you're using. I highly recommend when you want to try any new trading strategy, you must backtest it. Or if you don't like backtesting, you can just use demo trading, which is available on Bybit. Previously, I made a video about it. I don't want to make it so long, so you can check it out and learn how to do it. But here's the kicker. I have a surprise for you. If you use my affiliate link down in the description, you have the chance winning up to $35,000 worth of USDT just by signing up, doing your KYC, and depositing at least 100 USDT and start trading on it. So what you waiting for? Maybe it's going to be your lucky day. And here's my surprise for you. Previously, I made almost an hour of video clearly about proper risk management, how to do your proper position sizing, risk to reward ratio, winning ratio, whatever you need, whether you're a beginner or a pro, but you're kind of confused in between what am I supposed to do, this is probably for you. So give it a try, watch it, you will come back to me and you will thank me without any doubt. Also, if you want to increase your profit factor on the other side of the coin, beside the risk management, I highly recommend to watch this video of the mixture of Fibonacci retracement levels with supply and demand, or let's say price action, and you're going to find it crazy good with any trading strategy. It doesn't matter what trading strategy you're using, what is your indicator, what are you doing. This combination works out on any time frame, any trading strategy, and it's crazy good. I tried it out like thousands of times and it works out perfect. So that's the loadout on using these smooth Heiken Ashi candlesticks. They're like your secret weapon, your trading sidekick. They make everything so much clearer, like finally putting on glasses when the world's been blurry. If you found this trading talk helpful, show me some love with a thumbs up, and hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more trading wisdom. Happy trading, folks. See you in the next one.